In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all saved passwords Google Chrome. By the end, your stored passwords will be cleared from your current Chrome profile, and if you use Sync, they'll be removed from other devices connected to the same account as well. Before we begin, keep in mind this is permanent. If there are any passwords you might need later, consider backing them up first using Chrome's Password Manager. Also, make sure you're working in the correct browser profile, especially if you share a computer or switch profiles. Start with Chrome open on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the main menu. This menu is where you'll find most of Chrome's tools and options, including the settings we need today. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. If you have multiple sections on the left side, we're heading to the one that controls your privacy. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome keeps tools for managing your data, permissions, and safety. We're going to use the option that clears data saved by the browser. Next, select Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up window will appear with two tabs, Basic and Advanced. To make sure passwords are removed, switch to Advanced so you can see all available data types. Set the time range to all time so you're clearing everything, not just recent activity. Then find and select passwords and other sign-in data. You can leave other items checked or unchecked based on your preference, but selecting the passwords option is essential for this task. If you're signed into Chrome and syncing, you may see a note that this will also clear passwords from your synced devices. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Depending on how much information you're clearing, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes, your saved passwords will be gone from Chrome. To confirm, you can visit a site where you previously signed in, and you should be prompted to enter your credentials again since Chrome no longer has them stored. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't want Chrome to save passwords going forward, you can return to settings later and adjust your password saving preferences. And if you use multiple profiles, repeat this process in any profile where passwords are stored. That's it. Your saved passwords have been cleared from Google Chrome safely and completely.